Good morning and welcome to my plan with me for October 1st through October 7th. And for this week, I'll be using this brand new sticker kit and redesigned sticker kits, I should say, also for my EC hourly. And it's item number 1187. And kit includes 4 different sheets. You could purchase separately or all together. And I'll first go over this sheet 1187A. So on this sheet, I'm calling it the washi icon sheet. It comes with 2 3/4-inch washi strips, 2 half-inch washi strips. It comes with 4 coordinating 1/4-inch washi strips, a weekend banner, a quote box, and flags for up in the corner, as well as some icons. We have 6 asterisks and 6 teardrops. And on 1187B, this is called our boxes and header sheet, and it's 1187B. It comes with a heart check box, 4 full boxes, 3 half boxes with whited out middle, 3 solid half boxes, and 9 header boxes, also 1/4-inch. And then we have several different headers. So we have 4 to-dos, 3 to-goes, a to-call, a next week, a to clean, a work, and 2 homes. And then we have our circle checks, so that you can make your own checklists. And then this item here is our date header strips. It's item number C, and this fits directly over the top of the Erin Condren hourly, and where you can put in the dates. Also comes with the dates, obviously. And then this little guy is a deco sheet. It's item number D, 1187D, and it's a cute little matching deco for the week. So that is that. So first I'll go ahead and use the washi strips first. And I'm going to go ahead and place the 3/4-inch washi at the very, very bottom of the page. And these are printed and cut to fit exact, so you don't have to worry about trimming them at all if you have an EC hourly like myself. Like so. Go ahead and put the header box in the header area. I'm sorry, I said header. This is the quote box and the quote. And then I'm probably going to use the date covers next. And we'll go ahead. Just going to go right underneath the flag, a little bit above, maybe like a halfway in between the 6 a.m. box, just all the way across like that. And then do the same on the other side. Okay, just like that. And then I will match up the 1/2-inch washi directly underneath that the date strip, I should say. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead also put this Autumn Pumpkins strip right across underneath that. So, and it'll overlap, I'm going to overlap it just a tad bit, so it actually makes, I have the 7:30 hour slot available there. And then for this strip, since these come full length, let's Let's see, I'll get my Erin Condren ruler, any other ruler would do. These are easily just torn, just like that. I'll stick that down on the strip, and I'll go ahead and flip over and do the other side. So again, right underneath the date header box, or strip I should say. Okay, and then I'll take the other 1/4 inch, and again I'll overlap it just a tad bit so that it lines up on the 730 box, and this one will go the full length. All right, so let me open that up and you can kind of see how that looks. And then next I'll go ahead and date it. So I'll close these little, I see some people using tweezers to put these on. I'm fine with just using my fingers and nails, but I do have a little bit long nail right there. And the other side. Oopsie. Okay. And last one for Sunday. There we are. All right, so now we've got all of our dates on there, so that's looking good. Now I'll put on the flags for each side. The other flag, and this may go over just a tad bit on the box. Okay, there we are. So now we have matching corner flags and everything is set up there. And next, what I use these last washi strips for is I put, just so I remember what time the kids get out of school every day. It's just a good reminder. So they get out at 2:30, or the ones I have to go pick up anyway get out at 2:30. The other kids get home themselves. And except for Thursdays, it's 1:30, so then I'll move this guy up here so I don't forget early release day. And then on Friday, of course, it's the same time of 2:30. And then I'll just again use the ruler to put there. And last, I have my weekend banner, and sometimes I like to place it up top or right here, or sometimes down at the very bottom. And lately we've been having some really early soccer games, so I actually think I will put it towards the bottom more. Normally, and there we have it there. So we are all set from here. Now what I do is I'll just go through my calendar for the week, and I will then start planning out all of my appointments in my calendar, or in my from the week. Actually, there is one other thing I normally do, and it's I normally place my checkbox over on the sidebar, and I do work from home, so I normally put what I need to get accomplished for the week, but doesn't necessarily mean any day. You know, it's not a day specific. So I will normally put my things there. You could also do like, you know, what you want to get accomplished for the house this week, or your personal goals, or whatever. You could also make additional lists down the side here, which I may do also this week. I sometimes menu plan on the side, but I think I'm going to go ahead and menu plan up top for each day, because we don't really have a whole lot going on in the morning, and in the evenings the boys go to sports all the way through to 9 o'clock. So I don't like to try to write too much more on the bottom of my, you know, from 7 o'clock on. So I'll go ahead and pause it for now, and I'll be back as soon as I have it all put together for all my appointments. Okay, so this is with stickers and before the pen. So I have my menu planning up on top, and I put in all my appointments, and now I'm just gonna pause the video again, go through and write down everything, and so I'll show you what it looks like after I have some pen. Okay, so this is how it looks after I've put in all my appointments and all the kids' sporting events and all their practices and all my appointments, and started to kind of meal plan. Obviously I have a lot to finish, filling in things, but I at least start off with all of the appointments and kids' schedules, like I said, and then I can go from there. So I hope everybody has a great week. I thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, and check out my Etsy sticker shop at stickermama.com. Thank you so much, and see you next week.